Morning, ladies. I hope we're all well. This is a first. I'm going to be taking you on a behind the scenes of what it's like in my life in Bali. I'm also going to be shooting some content with my client. So we're going to be meeting up with her a little bit later on. And then we're going to be going over to the gym to film some of her program content. I'll be talking with her about what it's like monetizing as a creator. She's only just started working with me. So it's going to be a nice way to show exactly what I do, how I do things, and also like what my life in Bali is like currently. I mean, right now it is an absolute tsunami outside, but it is nice. It's still very peaceful. It's especially in the area that I'm currently staying in. It allows for a slower morning, and that's actually why I picked up this book. A guy called, if you YouTube heads know of Julian Petroulas, he actually recommended this book in some of his content, and yeah, it's a nice way to start the mornings. Right now, for my Instagram, if you don't follow me already, it's at Joey Samir with 2 I's, link on screen. Essentially what I'm going to start implementing, essentially like top to bottom split, camera split. So top's webcam, bottom is gonna be my Miro board. And yeah, so I'm literally gonna be basically breaking down people in the creator space, breaking down like what they do and how they monetize. I feel like it's gonna be a great way for my top of funnel. I'm constantly trying new variations of making content. About what we're gonna be doing. Okay, and I hope you're well, brother.
DJ Swish.
So, one thing that I get a lot is creators wanting the desired outcome before they've even put the reps in. And it's the same in the gym, right? Like, you can go into the gym and just like fling weights around, but you're never really gonna grow. And it's the same thing. So with monetizing your audience, it's the same thing like with the reps in the gym. I should have done chest or something. You could have 200k followers and you could be making fuck all. Like, you could be making zero, and you could be having 20k followers and you could be making 5-6 figures a month. What have you got in place to actually make reoccurring revenue from your audience without selling out to brand deals? People say to me all the time, like, oh, how do I do this? How do I do that? You already are doing it, but you're just doing it for the brands that are paying you maybe 2k flat fee here, £500 there. You're just selling their products instead of your own. It's the exact same shit. Fix up, man. Fix up. Whose idea was it to train legs? We do the hard shit. You know why? We're built different. Yo. We've trained, we've eaten. So now, plan of action is go meet client, Mads. We're gonna run over a few things. Basically just sort of like catch up with her and figure out like what it is she specifically wants to film today. We made a list, got a list on my phone of the things that she wants to shoot in the gym.
Quite frankly, just very efficient for work.
Yeah, honestly, I've been thinking about China for a while. But it's good though, because you can like, you lock in, and then if you want to go do some DJing shit, fly to Thailand, fly to Bali, you know what I mean? So that was my friend Harry. He runs a AI sort of influencer type piece of software. I've just butchered that, like, I'll pop it on stream now, Creator Flow. Met Harry in Bangkok years ago, very good lad. Saw him a few weeks ago in Bali. He's in China right now, and I've had a few friends that have lived in China. My good friend Zach, he lives in Shenzhen right now. So I think maybe next up is China. If you're here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
I guess it's just there.
We got London on the track. Nigga, horses don't stop, they keep going. Yeah. You can lose your life, but it gon' keep going. Why not risk life when it's gon' keep going? Yeah. When you die, somebody else was born, but it At least we got to say we ran on the digit, we ran on the money, we ran on the digit, we ran on that money, we ran on the digit, we ran on the money.
I know you are.
That's happening.
And then like this, that white box underneath, so that page. All right, lads, that is the end of the day. If you liked what you've seen today, or if you feel like something like this could benefit you, drop me a follow. If you enjoyed seeing a bit of the behind the scenes today and you're a creator who's looking to monetize their audience, there's a link in the description. If you want to go over there and book a call, go ahead. We'll go over your numbers. We'll discuss the best sort of avenues for you. And if not, it's completely free. So yeah. So that's it for today. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.